Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this episode, I'm talking about the TD27 sleeve. So, guys, this is a TD27 sleeve. This is how the pocket looks like. It is a four-cylinder sleeve, guys. So, guys, this is how a sleeve looks like. This is how a sleeve looks like. A sleeve looks like this. Also, this logo right here, Izumi, is the brand. Just as the pocket here, also Izumi. So, guys, this is a cylinder. And if you measure this place from to this place, it measures 96 millimeter using a caliper or a meter rule. This is where the piston is being fitted in. A piston is being fitted into this hole. So, guys, this sleeve can be found in vehicles such like civilian, Datsun truck, and also Datsun jeep. This is a Nissan civilian bus. This is a Nissan Datsun truck. This is a Nissan Datsun jeep. So, guys, I've come to the end of this show. Please do well to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.